Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. We are here on the sunny side of Socorro. Got a little bit of clouds. Here with Lady in Red 850R and Karyn, of course. First thing we're going to do is break out the tool I acquired in New Jersey that is supposed to be able to read these Volvo codes, reset, ECC problems, stuff like that. I hadn't even plugged it in yet, so I got my fingers crossed. Hope this thing works and hope I can figure out how to use it. The guy said probably a few hours you'll figure it out, but if I have any problems right now, I'll try to reach out for some help. So first thing we're going to do is try to figure out why her ECC is only going to the defrost mode, won't blow in the vents. So we manually took it to the vents before I left and we disconnected that motor. So I'm going to plug it back in, fire the car up, see it go back, then I'm going to try to read it with this thing. Of course, when you start the car, it flashes 30 times or whatever, and we'll see what this thing has to say about it, and hopefully I can figure this out and help people around the globe with it. As you can see, the lights flashing. We actually left this motor dangling down, and you hear that awesome exhaust. Really sound good on the highway. Anyway, we're gonna switch this thing from face vents to defrost and see if this motor moves. I'm going to defrost right now. The AC in auto. I think she said that's where it was stuck, so that's probably why it's there. So we're going to switch this thing to the face vents and see if it moves. There's the face vent. And it has not moved. I can hear this system compressor cycling on and off, which means that it's freaking low on Freon. I don't have any air coming out there. I'm gonna switch it to floor, which should activate the other side blend door motor and cause this thing to go to the floor vent. I don't really feel anything going to the floor vent. Heck, that one may not be moving either. So anyway, let me hook up my scanner, see if I can read a code. Not sure why we got a hole there. That's pretty strange. It's like the clutch pedal knockout or something. It's missing some kind of plug. Couldn't get nothing lit up on it at first, and then I found a power button up here. Scared the crap out of me. So we chose climate control. It says it's changing some kind of speed. We're going to read the DTCs. Hit enter. It's reading them. Please wait. It is proclaiming 10 DTCs, which are errors. Shutter mount position, open circuit, supply B1 2-1-1. That's arrow down. Alright, let's hit enter, see if we go to the next one. Number 2. Shutter mount position, PS open circuit. Number 3, vent motor position. sends open short circuit to supply. Floor defrost position. Number 5, recirc position. Number 6, shutter motor PS running too long. Wow. That looks like all of the errors are blown on this thing. A 414. Number 10, temp sensor open. Alright, so we're going to back up, clear all these, see if that helps our situation. Alright, so we're left with 2 error codes. Need to find out what these codes mean. I reset codes on it, didn't quite work. I went and it said it still had 2 codes. I read the codes. I ran it through a system test. Halfway through the test, it failed communication. I hooked up a couple of different motors to it. They seem to be functioning because I hooked them up to the temperature scale and ran them open and close. Hooked the motors back up, read codes, cleared codes. We just started the car and we got no flashing. We're getting ready to go to defrost and see if it goes to defrost. Then we're going to go to floor, see if it's going to go to floor, but it seemed to have reset itself. Right now we have air in the face vent. You want to go to defrost? Went to defrost. I just lost the air vent off of the face and it's blowing up there on the window according to Karyn. So that's where it was stuck on the face. It wouldn't go it was stuck on the defrost, wouldn't go face. Yeah. All right, so we're going back to face to see if it'll go back to the face vent. Immediately getting flow back to the face vent. All right, now we're going to go down to the floor, see if we get some floor action. Yep, air left the face vent. It has to be down there on the floor. Yep. And she has flow to the floor. So the Volvo tool has reset the system and we're moving on to bigger and better things like dash lights and stuff like that. And we got a 245 to tinker with and the XC90. There's Dulcie.
How's it going?
Time to fix this tail light. A long wait on this XC90. Look at that horrible beat up looking thing. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.